Guys, today I'm going to tell you how to write newsletter with Claude AI. If you're using Claude AI and you want to write newsletter using Claude AI, so let's see how can do that. We just have to simply open your browser, and here you have to make sure that you are logged in or signed into your account in Claude AI. Now here you have to simply enter a single prompt. So the very first thing, the main prompt is act as my newsletter editor. Write a weekly newsletter for early stage startup founders. So first line you have to add this, and then you have to add topic of your newsletter. Once you have done, you have to enter some key points as I have already entered, and then you have to enter the tone. It is practical, slightly opinionated, and no fluff. And then you have to enter how much longer you want to write a newsletter. I've entered under 700 words. And once you have done, you can also add this line here to make it feel like a high quality startup advice newsletter, not generic marketing content. So once you have done, just click on the send option or press enter from your keyboard and just wait for until they give you a response. So after a few seconds, you might get a newsletter for your topic. So you can easily copy this from here, or you can also try to get a PDF version of this. You just have to create a PDF file for this, and it will create a PDF file for you. So just press enter and it will create a PDF file for you. You can easily download that and save to your PC. So in this way, you can easily create a newsletter using Claude AI. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.